Hey, welcome back. Today we are comparing Germany and Italy, two budget-friendly study abroad destinations with world-class universities and rich culture but completely different experiences. And after knowing all the points, tell us which country do you think is better. Here I will break down point by point universities, courses, cost, jobs and more so you can choose the best country for your 2026 study abroad journey. So, let's start with Germany's top universities. Technical University of Munich, Heidelberg University, and more shown on your screen. And in Italy, there are University of Bologna and University of Milan and more given on the screen. Next, popular courses. In Germany, you will find programs like engineering, computer science, data science, business management, medicine, environmental science, and automotive, perfect for tech driven careers. On the other side, Italy offers architecture, fashion designing, engineering, business management, arts, tourism, and hospitality ideal for creative souls. This shows that Germany is your go-to for STEM and Italy the stop for design and culture's focus field. Third, tuition fees. Germany's public universities are practically free, charging 0 to 360 euro a year, but private ones cost 10,000 to 18,000 euro a year. Whereas in Italy, public universities charge between 900 to 4,000 euro per year, while private ones range from 6,000 to 21,000 euro per year. Fourth, let us compare living cost. In Germany, cities like Berlin, Munich cost 9,600 euro to 12,000 euro a year, whereas Italy is more budget friendly with cities like Milan, Rome, and more cost 6,000 to 8,000 euro a year. Now, what about part time work? Both countries allow 20 hours a week for part time work. Germany offers plenty of job opportunities in cities to help cover costs, while Italy's job market is tougher, especially in small towns. Germany's urban job scenes make part time work easier. Sixth, language barrier. Germany's university offer many English taught programs, but German is needed for job and daily life outside big cities like Berlin or Munich. On the other side, in Italy, English programs are growing in Milan and Rome, but knowing Italian will help you a lot, especially in smaller towns. Now, let us look at the post-study work visa. Germany gives you 18 months to find a job perfect for career starters, while Italy offers 12 months, which is shorter but still dedicated for job hunting. Germany's long PSW visa gives you more flexibility. But what about job and internship opportunities in these countries? Germany leads for paid internships and STEM jobs, whereas Italy is great for creative fields but sometimes the internships are unpaid. Last, block account. Germany requires a block account with 11,208 euro a year for your visa, whereas Italy has no block account requirement, making the visa process simpler. So Italy wins for hassle-free visa rules. So pick Germany if you want to make career in STEM or business field. And if you are passionate about fashion, architecture or hospitality, then go for Italy. So drop a comment Germany or Italy and share your study abroad plans. Smash that like subscribe button for study abroad tips. Catch up in the next video.